Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about JavaScript. Uh, First, we have to create a there is a markup page like a code. So first, we have to create a table generator, BMI calculator, and then length converter, and then weight initer, and pizza order form. So they have given the code sample code for this JavaScript. So using this code, I have created a website. So here is my JavaScript code. So using this code, I have created this table generator, BMA calculator, then length converter, weight emitter, and pizza order form. So for this, I have to use the JavaScript file, and for the first thing, field set style is equal to background color, and for that using the padding, border, and all border radius, and some thing like that. And for using the table generator, we have to create a number of rows and number of columns. We have to give the input value and ID value. So the field set is given because of creating the box here, and the input type is equal to button. On to create table, value is equal to create the table. See, the button is created, create the table. And the second one is BMI calculator. We have to give the weight and height. We have to calculate the weight and height. Um, for weight, we have to give the type and the ID value. Name is equal to value 1, and for the height, type is equal to text type and ID value, and name is given as value 2. And for clicking the button, for calculating BMI, we have to give the input type is equal to button, on click is equal to calculate BMI, value is equal to calculate BMI. So after the calculation, it will display what we have to create a ID P1 and P2. In this P2 P1 and P2 values will be helpful in the JavaScript using JavaScript code. In the P2 ID, your BM, and it will be display the some space, and it will create a value which is weight and height is calculated. And the second one is your body type is, and see here BMI calculated, the weight and height is created, and the calculate BMI is button, your BMI and your body type is. And the next thing is length converter. You have to create a field set, enter value, and for the data 1, and select ID is equal to from 1. Option is given because of meters and kilometers is which is to be converted for selecting, and the button on click is equal to converter for calculating the kilo length converter. If you enter the value in meters or kilometers, you have to select and you should calculate. And next thing is weight emitter, and for this also the same. You have to select the option of grams and kilograms before entering the value, and button is created to calculate it. And the next thing is pizza order form. We have to create a pizza order form, and first thing is we have to create a small pizza, medium pizza, and large pizza. There is a tip called 10%, 15%, and 20%. And we have to, if we have given the small pizza of 10 and the medium pizza of 10 and large pizza of 10, say it will automatically, if we give the 15% of tip, it will calculate the order. For that we have to create a radio button, and ID is created of R1 because of JavaScript code, and we have to create a JavaScript code about in ID. The cost of order will be displayed. So going to the JavaScript code, so function convert is given where index is equal to document dot get element by ID from dot selected index. The ID will be get, and after that we have to give the result where from parseInt of index. ParseInt is it will convert the variable and integer value. If from is equal to 0, if 2 is equal to 0, then the result is equal to value by 1000, else result is equal to value. If from is equal to 1 and 2 is equal to 1, result is equal to value into 1000, else result is equal to value. Then the document will the code will be displayed document dot get element by id answer dot inner html is equal to result will be displayed. Then the function create table. These IDs are used in this, which is given in the HTML code. And the IDs are used in this JavaScript code. So for the function calculate BMI, and for function converter, and the pizza order and everything will be given in the JavaScript code. So for checking this, if we given the number of rows as 2 and number of columns as 2, we create the table. So weight is given as 50 and height is given as 5. So BMI is 2 and the body type is underweight. Length converter is if it select the meters or kilometers, say it is selection option. So select the meters, it will calculate in meters to kilometers. If it selects the kilometers to meters, it will calculate kilometers to meters. And the weight indicator is grams to kilograms, 0.1. Then kilograms to grams is 1 lakh. To give the 10 pizza, small pizza, and 10 medium, and 10 large. To select the 15% as a tip, it will order the calculator calculated, and the rupees will be displayed.